Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Exam Mode. Myself Sudhir Verma, and today I am going to take a very rich, a very UPSC friendly topic, that is microbiology. In this, virus, protozoa, bacteria and fungus and their types, these are asked repetitively by UPSC in their various examinations, be it CDS, NDA or UPSC Civil Services examination. Still, after so many questions asked from this small topic, we tend to do mistakes because we don't know how to memorize them, or we lack a super cool short tricks for them. So today I have prepared 4 short tricks to memorize all them and how to categorize them or distinguish them from one another. So these are called mnemonics, and there are 4 mnemonics for them, one for each. Now, for virus, so the mnemonics for virus that I have created is Virat and Rohit gets high income daily by playing cricket matches. Now, here all the capital letters are acronym. V stands for virus, that is virus only. A for AIDS, R for rabies, G for glandular fever, H for hepatitis, I for influenza, D for dengue, P polio, chickenpox and mumps. Now, Virat and Rohit gets high income daily by playing cricket matches. Look how easy it is. We know both Virat, our captain, and then Rohit Sharma. They gets high income daily. How? By playing cricket matches. Virus done. Now we all know AIDS, very much common, sexually transmitted disease or through blood transfusion or from mother to child during childbirth. Rabies, when dog bites. Glandular fever, at swollen glands. Hepatitis, their protection is hepatitis B and C. There are 2 types, hepatitis A and D, and then hepatitis B and C. Now influenza, dengue from female mosquito biting, in which platelets fall drastically. Polio, once we get polio, it is non-reversible. Now chickenpox, there is permanent vaccine for this, but everyone tends to get once in their lifetime. But sometimes we are unlucky, we get it twice. Then mumps, all of them. These are viruses. Now moving on to second one, that is we are going to our fungal diseases. Okay, now there are 5 of them, and the mnemonics that I have created for them is brave soldiers are ready for action. Now here B stands for baldness, ganjapan. S stands for scabies, khujli. A for asthma. R for ringworm, that's also called athlete's disease, and A for athlete's foot. Now ringworm and athlete's foot, they are similar. How? Now baldness, when you have dirt in your hair follicle, Fungus tends to grow on our scalp, and that leads to loss of hair. And this is very much quite problems in today's generation, even of bad water and all, that we are facing baldness at early stages. Man, this is main cause of worry for young kids these days. Now scabies, khujli, and asthma, already told you, it tends to attack our lungs somehow, and then we are unable to breathe properly, suffocating nature. So it leads to loss of heavy exercises and all. Now third one. Now this is our protozoan disease. Protozoan disease. Okay. Mnemonics for them that I have created is protozoan mosquito prefers drinking khoon, that means blood, slowly. Now, very much interesting how protozoan, that means protozoa, mosquitoes prefer drinking khoon slowly. What do a mosquito do to you at night? They drink our blood slowly. So annoying. Now, mosquito, M stands for malaria, and malaria is caused by mosquito, female dengue. Malaria. P for pyrrhia, दांतों में होता है. Yellowness in your gums, in your tooth. D for diarrhea, that means you have to go to washroom again and again. Your stomach is in bad mood. काला अजर, हैजा जिसको कहते थे. And as for sleeping sickness, CC fly cause this protozoan disease, sleeping sickness. Moving on to next, that is last but not the least, bacterial diseases. Now, there are so many bacterial diseases, and not to confuse them, so I have divided them into 3 parts so that we can have good number of easy tricks to remember them, because I was not able to make a very much bigger, and for that would not have been very wise from my side to tell you to remember them, but I have created instead 3 of them, and easy one. Now first is like cool pandas love dancing. We all have seen pandas. We all have seen pandas, right? Cool pandas love dancing. C for cholera. P stands for pneumonia. Here P is silent in pneumonia. So this spelling is also asked multiple times in different examinations, especially in SSC. L stands for leprosy. कुष्ठ रोग कहते हैं ना, त्वचा का रोग, skin disease, leprosy. D stands for diphtheria. Now, second part of bacterial disease is GST. The name itself suggests GST. I don't need to create any mnemonics for this, because this itself is such a huge mnemonics for all Indians that we will never forget them. G for gonorrhea. S syphilis. T stands for trachoma. Now, moving on to next one, the third part of bacterial diseases, and that is 3 tiny tigers wear pajamas. Now, here, three tiny tigers wear pajamas. Isn't it funny that three little tiny tigers they wear pajamas like some cartoon movies? T stands for tetanus. Second T stands for typhoid. Third is TB, tuberculosis. W is for whooping cough. This is such a disease that if someone gets it and when they cough, it's like a dog is barking because it gets so bad at that time. P stands for plague. It's a very deadly and disease, plague. And now let us quickly revise all of them again in a very short time. Okay, so microbiology divided into 4 different parts. First is virus, then fungus, protozoa and bacteria. And to remember them, I have created mnemonics for them. For bacteria, we have cool pandas love dancing, cholera, pneumonia, leprosy and diphtheria. Second one is GST, that is gonorrhea, spills and trachoma. Then 3 tiny tigers wear pajamas: tetanus, typhoid, tuberculosis, whooping cough and plague. Now quickly moving on to our protozoa, that is protozoan mosquitoes prefers drinking khoon slowly. Mosquito malaria, pyorrhea, drinking diarrhea, khoon or kala jar and slowly is sleeping sickness. Now fungal disease. Brave soldiers are ready for action. Soldiers, salute to them. They are always ready for actions and ready to protect their countries even if they have to lay down their lives. So huge respect for soldiers. Jai Hind. B for baldness, S for scabies, A for asthma, R stands for ringworm and accents A stand for athlete's foot. Now viral disease, most important and often asked in different UPSC examinations. Virat and Rohit, all of India is huge fan of cricket. Virat and Rohit gets high income daily by playing cricket matches. Virus, AIDS, rabies, glandular fever, hepatitis, influenza, dengue, polio, chickenpox and mumps. Virat and Rohit gets high income daily by playing cricket matches. I hope now you all will come out of your fear of microbiology and do great while remembering them in your examination. Thank you. This is it for today. If you like our videos, please consider liking it and subscribing our channels. Do share it with your friends.